Hi there. We got ourselves another Monday, don't we? Today, I'm going to be talking to you about washing a good old-fashioned car. A lot of people nowadays, they'll go and spend and waste all their money at the car washes. Not this guy. And also, I'm not my grandfather. I don't have boxes and boxes full of old towels and old t-shirts to dry my car off with. What I prefer to use is something that you want to use for the rest of your life here. You want to find yourself a little 2-year-old booty and give it a good rinse. What? Oh, we're just washing the car, bud. And that's how it's done, folks. All right, and for much smaller cars, you want to use much smaller baby booties. And that there is this Monday's Josh's Tips and Tricks.